But before we start today's video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell notification icon, and like, share, and comment to this video.
Today I'll be trying out the Eufy X9 Pro. This advanced robotic vacuum cleaner has an automatic self-cleaning station, and it has both vacuuming and mopping abilities. This vacuum also uses artificial intelligence, and it's great for any floor type as well. The X9 Pro comes with an extra vacuum filter, 2 power adapters, the vacuum robot, and the automatic self-cleaning station. It's best to place the self-cleaning station up against the wall securely. There are 2 pieces of foam that must be removed before using the vacuum. The self-cleaning station has 2 removable water tanks. The first one is filled with clean water from the tap, and the second one catches all the dirty water after the vacuum has been cleaned. Connecting the vacuum for remote use is extremely simple using the Eufy app, which is available for both iOS and Android devices. The setup takes only seconds and will give you access to tons of great features. Adding a device is simple. There are many products to choose from, so be sure to select the right one. Follow the instructions on the app. Every device is different, and this installation is for the X9 Pro. Wi-Fi pairing mode is enabled by pressing the spot cleaning and recharge buttons at the same time for 3 seconds. You know that the device is in Wi-Fi pairing mode when this Wi-Fi light is flashing slowly. The setup is nearly complete. Make sure to allow all permissions for the best app experience. This vacuum supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi for a fast, stable connection. Once your vacuum is connected in the app, you'll have complete and total control over all its great features. The X9 Pro works great on any floor surface. It's got 5,500 pascals of suction force, 2 dual rotating mop heads, and 2 tangle-free vacuum brushes. The X9 Pro can avoid common household obstacles with the accurate AAIC system. The automatic mop system will lift the mops whenever carpet is detected. The mop can apply over 1 kilogram of pressure and spins at over 180 RPMs. Now we're going to test the X9 Pro suction power with a little baking soda. Even on its lowest setting, the X9 Pro picks up this mess with ease. You can send the vacuum home with the push of a button, or it'll automatically dock itself when the battery is low. You'll have complete control over the unit in the Eufy app, and you can even change the vacuum's language or its voice. The X9 Pro memorizes the entire layout of your home to ensure the fastest and most efficient cleaning route. I can't believe how well it avoids all my furniture. And now for the final test. Let's see how the X9 Pro performs picking up a larger object, like this rice off the floor. The vacuum didn't waste a second and went straight for the rice pile. It picked it up without any hesitation and even swept the rice out of the cracks in my tile floor. The spinning mops keep my tile floor nice and polished. And if the robot misses anything, it turns around and goes right back for it. When it's done cleaning, it'll automatically return to its docking station. I was highly impressed by the Eufy X9 Pro, and the self-cleaning station is incredibly convenient. The 3D TOF sensors and the AI camera make this one of the smartest vacuums on the market today.